Rescuetime tutorial and demo. How to use Rescuetime time tracking. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's explore Rescuetime over here and explore its time tracking capability. So over here right now, we're currently in our dashboard. Now, Rescuetime actually allows you to connect devices that would allow you to interact or collaborate with Rescuetime over here. You can also download Rescuetime app, which will allow you to utilize this platform on your mobile devices as well. Now, over here, let's actually check out our timesheets available to us right now. So I'm using a very fresh account here. So this is basically our timesheet. So it will show you the timesheet of any of the active projects that you currently have. Later on, we will create our project and show you guys our timesheet as well. But as you can see, it will show you the record for today. You could view or edit the different activities, view the different post suggestions, and also add an offline time first. You can check out reports over here, which will allow you to create or generate a report regarding specific timelines, or for example, here different intervals of time. For example, you want to have a report of days in the timeline, for example, of a specific project here, and you are able to generate or create a report. You can also download a CSV or an Excel file of those reports that you have. But for this, you would need to have a account, which we will check out later on in the video. You can also check out the project over here. So in this page, where we will be able to create projects that we will be able to monitor in our timeline. So if you click on new project over here, let's call this one simple for now. That's one. And then you could assign it to a specific client. Later on, let's create a client as well. But for now, let's go and over this. You could also create tasks available here. You can have billable here. So let's say our bill rate. Then zero. Just sample or save. Now we have a very simple project. So if you go to our timeline, you should be able to have simple available here. Then you can drag where you want to put it inside of the timeline. So now we have it as you see that this project is currently going to start at 7:10 a.m. Then we can extend, we can move it around when you want to put it. And this is basically type of the thing. We can also actually create directly. So if you click on maybe this one, 9 a.m., we could create or select a specific project for this one. Here, so we can set that. If you want to do some up here, that oh, this one is coming with. Okay, we could archive the project as well first. Now, in our client, you could see earlier that in projects, of course, we're going to be working with clients, things, and also tasks that you're going to work on. So, if you have specific clients for specific projects, you could also list them down here. So, click on Add New Client and put in here, say John. Then you could put in here different notes about the client if you want, and you could also have billable over here. So let's save this one for now. So now we have a specific line here. And let's check out task as well. Something. And you can put in. Now, if you go over here to project and edit this one. We can add a client for this one and like John. Research here. Task to be done in this project. Have that now. Now you can see that this person, our client, now has a project here simple under him. It's basically assigned to him. And you can also check out the task here that it is currently active in one project. So you can have a general task information or general task here that you can assign to different types of projects, which could help you with managing it. Now if you check out our timeline here, it will now also say that this project here project save. Now we have our then we could also extend duration. So let's say we want this to start at 8 a.m. and it's going to start allowed Now, you can also click on goals here, which will allow us, to have goals. Simply click on new goals here. Allow us, for example, for productivity, we want to have more than 3 or 4 hours here per day on, like, work during 6 or 7. That's one main goal. And now this will be an available goal for our rescue time. We want to be able to work 4 hours per day. Then simply click on our time here. We're going to go to time log time time log today yet. Time for this to create. So we could add another one as well. Have one, but we need to upgrade to premium if you want to have more. Also click on offline time here on the top left, which is once again for premium. We're going to check out the premium later on. So over here we can also add some alerts if you want. Also, go back here to our time. Take project here. If you want to modify this once again, you can edit project time here. We can with merger. Don't even automatically go there. You can add as many projects as you want. Assign it to different clients. If you want to try out the different features or the different other features, we could also go over here in our rescue time billing. We could see here how much we could pay for different plans. For example, over here, we could go with a $12 USD per month or $17 USD per month. We could also check out the plans for us. So this is for creating a team. So this is for $9 per month. Plan bills for 2 users minimum, so you can have multiple users, more than two. And you can also have pay annually, and similarly uh, 2 members minimum. So anyway, after you get a subscription, you will then be able to access all of the different features that are currently locked. Here, for example, this is going to be a paywall. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.